The 177's fighter jet represents the cutting edge of aerial combat technology, designed to deliver unmatched speed, maneuverability, and firepower in modern warfare. Built with a sleek aerodynamic frame, it combines stealth capabilities with raw power, enabling it to operate effectively in both offensive and defensive missions. The fuselage is crafted from advanced composite materials, reducing weight while enhancing durability, and the jet's stealth coating minimizes radar detection, allowing it to penetrate enemy airspace with reduced risk. The design integrates sharp angles and smooth curves, optimizing airflow and reducing drag, which in turn maximizes fuel efficiency and top speed. At the heart of the 177's is a powerful twin-engine setup capable of generating tremendous thrust, pushing the aircraft to speeds exceeding Mach 2.5. This allows the fighter to intercept threats quickly or disengage from dangerous situations in seconds. The engines also feature advanced afterburner technology for rapid acceleration during combat engagements. With a thrust-to-weight ratio well above 1:1, the jet can climb steeply, perform tight turns, and sustain high-G maneuvers without losing stability, giving pilots a decisive edge in dogfights. The cockpit is a marvel of modern avionics, equipped with a full glass display, holographic HUD, and helmet-mounted targeting systems. Pilots have 360-degree situational awareness thanks to integrated sensors and data fusion technology, which compile real-time information from onboard radar, infrared tracking, and satellite feeds. Voice command capabilities and eye-assisted flight controls reduce pilot workload, enabling them to focus on mission objectives rather than manual adjustments. The ejection system is state-of-the-art, ensuring pilot safety even at extreme speeds and altitudes. When it comes to armament, the 177's is equipped with an internal weapons bay to maintain stealth, housing a variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, precision-guided bombs, and a high-caliber rotary cannon for close-range engagements. The jet can also carry external payloads on reinforced hardpoints when stealth is not a priority, significantly increasing its strike capability. Its weapons systems are integrated with advanced targeting algorithms, ensuring pinpoint accuracy even in complex combat environments. The 177's fighter jet is not just about raw combat power, it's also designed for adaptability. It can perform multiple mission types, including interception, ground attack, electronic warfare, and reconnaissance, without major modifications. This versatility makes it a valuable asset in any modern air force. Its range is extended by in-flight refueling capability, allowing it to operate over vast distances without returning to base. Beyond its technical specifications, the 177's represents the future of air superiority. It's a symbol of engineering excellence, combining speed, stealth, and intelligence into one lethal package. Whether engaging enemy fighters in high-speed chases or delivering precision strikes deep in hostile territory, it ensures dominance in the